How to fix Nike's sign-in issues using Nike's official troubleshooting steps. So hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some official troubleshooting steps from Nike Help. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So let's head over to a browser first and go to nike.com and head over there. And if you cannot sign in into your Nike account on nike.com or the Nike application, you can follow out these troubleshooting steps that is available in Nike Help as well. So Nike states that the best way to solve a sign-in problem is to reset your password. For that, once you're inside the website, you can look out for the sign-in option in the top right corner and go ahead and basically click on it. After that, we can look out for the option called Forgot Password. So for that, you can enter up your email here and click on Continue. And you will be taken to the section. You can select this option called Use Password instead and follow up this process by clicking on this option called Forgot Password and follow the process to reset your password. You can check your email for the reset link or the verification code, and then you can create a new password and then try signing in again. Apart from that, what you can do is if you sign in into Nike website or any platforms of Nike, what you may do is you may basically go ahead and log out of the Nike.com and Nike application on all the devices, and you can wait a few minutes and then you can try signing in again. Also, you can clear out browser cache and cookies. So go ahead and look out for three dot in the top right corner of your browser and look out for your settings. From there, go to privacy and security and go to delete browsing data. From there, we can see these options. Make sure to select this one, cookies and other site data, and click on this option called delete data, and you can restart your browser and again try signing in into nike.com. Also, you can wait 30 to 45 minutes and try again because Nike recommends waiting for 30 to 45 minutes after clearing cache and cookies before signing in again to allow the systems to refresh. And that way you can do it. If none of those steps work, you can basically look out for the contact center and contact them through live chat or the phone support, and that way you can fix the issue. That is it, everybody. You may follow out the steps. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.